That sounds like a lot, my God. I think I lived in a town in Kansas where there was not even 20,000 people. So that's how I wrap my mind around that is 20,000. That's bigger than some towns in Kansas. Hello everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, DIY projects and shopping tips all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, hit that notification bell to turn it on so you're notified every time I do a new upload. On today's video, there is no DIY project, there's no tutorial, there's no room tour, there's nothing to do with any home decor like usually I do. Today's video, I want to thank you all for helping this channel grow to 20,000 subscribers. It means so much to me that there's so many of you out there that are willing to watch the content on this video, and I sometimes wonder why. You know, when I started this channel, it was just to be creative because I had a job where they would not allow me to be creative. So a friend suggested that I open up a channel on YouTube. I was hesitant because at that time I was running a blog and I was having fun with that, but I always thought that showing people how to create a more beautiful space was what I was meant to be doing. The blog was really not going anywhere, and that's when he suggested, well, you're really good at presenting, why don't you just open your channel and show people how to do things? And so that's what I did, and I would put videos out, and before I knew it I had 100 subscribers. And a Christmas came around and then I had 1,000 subscribers. And so another Christmas came around and then I had 18,000 subscribers. And now I've hit 20,000 subscribers, and I'm really thankful for every single one of you for watching the content, for liking the content, for sharing the content. I really don't have words of gratitude to say thank you to all of you that have been with me from the beginning, and to all of you who have just subscribed to this channel. I promise you it's about to be good. You could not be here at a better time because Christmas is coming, and that's what we do here at Ramon at Home. We do the holidays and we do them big. So thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate if you guys share with your friends, because that's how this channel grows. And now that we're at 20,000 subscribers, we're gonna go for the 100. We're gonna go for the 100,000 subscribers, and we are going to grow this channel. We're gonna grow this family, and I'm really thankful for every single one of you. So now I have an announcement. Just when you thought fall was over here at Ramon at Home, we're doing a full series on fall decorating outdoors, so please stay tuned for that. It's coming your way. We're gonna do a 5-part series on how to decorate your porch and your patio outside. So I hope you're as excited as I am about that series. I cannot wait for what's coming next, and I hope you are willing to watch these videos and like them and share with your friends. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for 20,000 subscribers. I cannot wait to get started with a full series for outdoors, and I cannot wait to reach that 100,000. That sounds like a lot, my God. I think I lived in a town in Kansas where there was not even 20,000 people. So that's how I wrap my mind around that is 20,000. That's bigger than some towns in Kansas. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please help me to share with a friend so they know about Ramon at Home. And until next time, bye. That way you can use some braids like this. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and attach this wreath. I'm going to just go ahead and lay it on it first. You want to lay it like this. I want this right here to give it a little bit of length. And the thing I like about this look is because it's so fluffy and so